My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 BMW 4 Series M Sport Edition. This vehicle has done just under 65,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. To the right, we have voice control and automatic wipers. Moving onto our screen, we can access our key features, which include media, communications, map, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press this button here, we can access our 4 different driving modes, which include Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats are red leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.